Right, il est pénible. Être verb. All right. So always remember subject plus verb plus object. If you lose this, you will lose marks. Namaste, guys. So today we'll be learning how to write a basic, basic letter, or in basic level how to write a letter. All right. I'm not going to tell you the topic. I'm not going to share the name of the topic, because in this exercise we're going to focus on the mistakes one should avoid in the basic level. All right. So first of all, you have to remember that you have to respect this line available to you. This line. All right. It looks very bad. Just see. It looks very bad. All right. So avoid this mistake. All right. Never do this kind of mistake. Always write by respecting this line, because when you are a student, these things hardly matters to you, but as a teacher, when I observe copies in the basic A1 level, or any even TCF, I feel a bit bad. All right. So always remember a few things. This is how you have to follow. First of all, bonjour Ritu, or bonjour, whatever your name is, your friend's name is, then you have to respect this format. You have to write like this. All right. Always, always. All right. And then in the end, if something is available, then your name, or something called as bees. Bees, if this is informal letter, bees means kisses. All right. Now, don't write kisses, bees, in case you are writing a letter to your teacher. All right. Don't do this such kind of mistakes, or your boss. All right. It gives a bad impression otherwise. In informal letters, always हमेशा लिखिए आप, always write. Now let's start. Bonjour Ritu, this is good. Como sava, always remember you have to write como sa va. This is important. All right. You lose this, you forget this one, you forget this one, and you lose marks. All right. So como sava. Okay, this is wrong. So you need to correct this portion. This is important even for TCF, TF, and Delf A1 level. All right. Now, j'espère, the conjugation is always conjugate the verb. All right. It should be j'espère. All right. J'espère que tu vas VAS bien. J'espère que tu vas bien. All right, so this is wrong. J'espère que tu vas bien. J'ai rencontré Ranveer Singh aujourd'hui, which is good. Aujourd'hui. Whenever you write aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui means today. You have to remember there is this small comma, or circumflex is there. All right. No, not circumflex. I'm sorry. I forgot the name actually. It's hyphen, or I forgot, but it's there. All right. Il est très intelligent. Whenever you write très, the accent should be like this. Très. All right. Très intelligent, mais son sens vestimentaire. All right. See, in the basic level, you need to take care of your sentence structure. Don't write such kind of complicated sentences. All right. For example, she want to write, this is my student, her level is A1. This is the first time she is writing, because I have covered all grammar portion from A1 to A2 part, almost A2 part we have covered, and we are remaining with only 3 topics. All right, with her. So now I asked her to do this small exercise. So this is her first time, but that's totally fine. Mistakes are there, but we can always work on our mistakes, right? So, son vestimentaire est très laid. No, this is wrong. See, I'm cutting this whole sentence because in the beginning level you are supposed to write very basic sentences. Write basic sentences. What you can write is um, um, il est laid les parce que c'est or parce wait, what you can write à cause de ces vêtements. All right, à cause de ces vêtements. Now instead of saying pask, I wrote à cause de. À cause de, even if you see her level is A1 level. Her level is A1 level. But à cause de is a connector of B1 level. So suppose if you write this à cause de in your Delf A1 exam, suppose, or in your TCF exam, then the teacher will think that this person has at least A2 end and B1 beginning level. All right. So he will give you marks accordingly. So take care of such things. All right. Now what we have to do. So il est très laid à cause de ses vêtements. All right. He was looking ugly because of his clothes. All right. Il toujours pénible. Il always. See, there is one mistake. There is no verb. Il est. It should be il est. Il est toujours pénible. Faire la controverse. See, she wants to write that he's always pain. What? It's always painful that he's in controversy or something like that. But again, don't write such kind of things. All right. Il marie with. See, il marie with Deepika Padukone pour sa le célébrité. So no, it should not be pour, it should be parce que. Parce que, wait, parce que elle est une actrice très populaire. Populaire. Write like this. All right. Il est pénible à regarder, apprécier Ranbir Kapoor parce que Deepika Padukone est célébrée. Now I couldn't understand this thing. So a few things you need to remember when you write in the beginner, when you are in in basic level. When you are in basic level, you need to take care of things like, first of all, respect the lines. All right, respect the page. All right, follow this pattern. First thing. Second thing, write easy language. Think like a kid. Third thing, और इसमें ही लिख लीजिए आप, think like a kid. Think like a kid. Now the third thing you need to take care of is use a correct form of verbs. This is first thing. Now इसी के ही अंदर, in the same thing, you need to remember that always follow the structure of subject plus verb plus object in the beginning level. All right, if you're not going to use such kind of things, you will lose marks. For example, here she forgot to write il est pénible, être verb. All right, so always remember subject plus verb plus object. If you lose this, you will lose marks. No matter what your level is, you will always going to follow this. There will always be a verb, a subject and an object in a sentence, always. All right, there are cases when there will be no subject or the position will change. All right, but that will come in A2 level. All right, or A1 level end. All right, now even if we have completed our grammar, I would suggest all of you to use this format in the beginning. All right. Always take small steps. All right. Don't think like this. It would be wrong. All right. And see, positive thing about this letter was there was no mistakes concerning articles. All right. Use articles, proper articles. All right. Do not use Google Translator. Take care of French accents like this. All right. Sava, uh, a, a. All right. Take care of these things. Otherwise, you will lose marks. It looks like this thing looks like face of someone. All right. Just you need to take care of such things, and you will gain marks. But in see, it looks a bit terrible, but that's totally acceptable because this is the first time she is writing this thing. All right. So out of 10, I'll give her 6 marks. All right. Why? Now you will think why 6 marks? Positive things are that she didn't use any dictionary or anything. All right. And in the beginning, you need to motivate the student also. So this is the thing. Otherwise, thank you. That's it from my side. Take care. God bless you all.